This video is going to give you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your Google site or make it a little more creative and unique to your project. So I'm just going to give you some basic things that you can do. You don't have to use them, but they're definitely something that will enhance your project and make it stand out from others. All right, so if we take a look over here on the right-hand side when you're working through your Google site, you can see that on the page where it says insert, this is where you're going to insert different things on that page. So you can put text boxes, you can incorporate and insert images, you can click on embed and you can actually embed a video, or you can embed a website or a image from a website. You can do a lot of different things when you click on embed. And then you can also click on drive and you can pull things from your drive. So if you had a document or if you had something that you really wanted to put into that box on your Google site that you can pull from your drive, that is where you would do that there. Now, I would recommend that when you're laying out your page, that you choose these different layouts, because that way you don't just start with a blank text box. These layouts will help you organize your Google site. So I could pick one with 2 pictures and then have some text boxes under the pictures, or if I'm going to use 3 different videos, I could have the 3 videos with a description of the video. You can really lay out your page however you want with these different layouts. So if you see, if I click this one right here on the left, it's now going to insert that layout into my page. So I've got a place where I can put an image or a video. I've got a place to type text, like headers. This would be a header. And then I could enter some more text below in the text box below. Or I could insert a link if I click the link button, and then I would just type whatever text that I wanted to come up. And then I could link that to either another page, or I could link it to just a website. And so that way it'll be a working link in your Google site and that people can click on. Over here on the left, if I click the plus, I can upload a image, I could upload a video, I could pull it from my drive, I could get it from YouTube if I found a YouTube video that I wanted to link there. If I click this select image, let's say I want to put an image in that box, I can type in the website where I'm getting the image, or I can hit search and then I can type into Google what I'm looking for. All right, so if I'm looking for a picture of the ear, I could click that and then select it, and it will put it in that box if that's what I'm looking to do. All right, and you can crop it, do whatever you need to do to make that look good. All right. If you look beside insert, you'll see that there are pages. All right, you can get to your different pages by clicking on the different pages that you have. I can also add a new page by clicking this page button. So if I wanted to add a new page, I would name it, hit done, and then it would place it in there. I can also move these pages around. So if I wanted to move my new page down to the very bottom, all I have to do is pull it and drag it down to the bottom. You can also hide pages if you'd like. So you could hide it from navigation so people couldn't see it. You could make it the home page. You could actually copy the page and make a duplicate page. You can just do a lot of different things there. All right. Themes are going to let you change the font colors, the text, make it stand out and look a little bit different. Every page can look the same. You could have the same theme for every page, or you could mix it up. Every page you could change it and turn it to something different. It's up to you, and you can change colors, you can change font style. It's up to you on how you want to make your page your own. All right. Couple of tips down here at the bottom on insert. If you go down here, you'll see that there's a bunch of different things that you can do. You can actually add buttons. So you would name the button, and then your button would be a link. It could be a video link, a link to a website, a resource, That's a good way to add things that you could click on within the page. You can actually just click YouTube, and when you click YouTube, it will let you search for whatever video that you're looking for. So if I was looking for a hygiene video, I would just type in hygiene, and then there's some different videos, and I would definitely want to watch the video to make sure it's appropriate for my website and make sure that it made sense and it was something that went with that page. You don't want to just paste any video in there, so be very careful about which ones you pick. Make sure you watch them first. So if I wanted to do that, then I could select that video and it would embed it right into that page. Okay, up to you on how you want to use that. You can also add slides, doc sheets, different charts if you had some charts. You can also add different images to the image carousel, and that way it's very easy to pull images into your website. So a lot of different things that you can do that. Whenever you want to preview what it might look like when someone goes to your web page, right here at the top, you just click this button that says preview, and it will give you a preview look of what your page will look like. You can see I've got my different pages. I can go there. I can click on links. I've got some websites already embedded. I've got some different ways that you can protect your ears, some problems and diseases, and then I've just got some extra things, extra images that will help enhance my project. When I'm ready to get out of preview mode, I just click X, and it takes me back to my Google Hygiene edit page so I can continue editing. If you're wanting to share this with others, so when you're ready to share it with your group members, you'll just click that share button and make sure that you type in their email addresses so that way they can collaborate as well. Settings are here, and those are pretty much all the tips and tricks that come with your Google Sites when you're creating a Google site. You may know some different tips. If you do, please let me know. I'm always wanting to learn more about Google Sites. So if you find something else that you can insert or find something else that you can do to enhance your project, just let me know and we'll make it happen. All right. Good luck with your project and incorporating these tips and tricks.